Hello, everyone, and welcome to the launch of Beyond Bytes, a podcast series from Sage IT that will delve into topics that truly matter to accelerating business clock speeds. Named for its mission to transcend the limitations of mere bytes of information, Beyond Bytes invites you on a journey to discover the stories, insights, and actions that inspire positive change. We start our podcast series with the theme Accelerate Your AI Journey. This first episode will be an introduction to the value of explainable AI. I'm your host Suranjan, President at Sage IT, and today I'm joined by Vivek, CEO and founder of Pangea Tech, a partner company of Sage IT. Together, we are building solutions to accelerate AI adoption across industries. We'll dive into a critical aspect of artificial intelligence that is challenging enterprises. Less than half the companies evaluating AI solutions have been able to scale production deployments. One of the key reasons is lack of trust in the results that their AI models are throwing out, which brings to the fore the need for explainable AI, or XAI for short. Vivek, great to have you with us.
Thanks, Suranjan. It's fantastic to be here, and I'm really excited to discuss a lot more about XAI and making AI more accessible to businesses and making it trustworthy for businesses to use everywhere.
Great. Let's start at the very beginning, Vivek. For our listeners, could you explain what AI, and more specifically, explainable AI is in today's context?
Absolutely, Suranjan. AI or artificial intelligence refers to systems or machine learning algorithms that try to mimic human intelligence to perform iterative tasks and improve processes. They depend on historical information or are trained on historical information to learn these tasks and the different methods of it. Uh, the more information we collect, the better these intelligence improves. Explainable AI, on the other hand, involves techniques where we are trying to understand what AI has learned and how the different factors have influenced the decision making process of AI. This makes AI more transparent and understandable, which is crucial for businesses to trust uh, AI systems, and that also helps them serve their customers or their end users better.
That's insightful, Vivek. I think it's important to clarify for our listeners how explainable AI differs from regular AI. Could you elaborate on that?
Absolutely, Suranjan. Uh, Explainable AI focuses on transparency and understanding of the decision making process, whereas regular AI is actually helping you make the decision. So it provides decisions for you to make on any algorithm that you are building. But traditional AI is also a black box. It does not explain why a decision was made, which is where explainable AI comes in and tells you various factors that are influenced or how the AI has made a certain decision, which builds in a great level of trust with the end user and is vital for accountability and compliance as well. This is where explainable AI and leads into great adoption and also great decision making in the AI ecosystem.
Vivek, you've touched on some compelling reasons why businesses need to integrate explainable AI. Could you share some examples at a high level where XAI has been especially crucial?
Definitely, Suranjan. One of the first AI algorithms that we used, explainable AI, was for recruitment algorithms, where in many industries, AI is used to screen job applications and find the most suitable candidates. However, uh, there was no understanding of why the decision was made, and that's where explainable AI was able to identify the various factors at very detailed level, also tell you about how your historical processes of hiring, where you're able to change those processes if you see any biases or if you want to include any specific values that your system wants, your culture that you want to build on. And this makes the hiring practices a lot more fair and unbiased to make sure the company's trust is built as well.
That's a powerful application, Vivek. I think it really shows how XAI can play a crucial role in fostering fairness at one level, right? Are there other areas where XAI proved beneficial?
Yeah, absolutely. I think one of the other one that pops up to my head is the banking sector, where financial institutions use AI or earlier statistical models to make loan applications or risk management decisions,
Sure.
and it was extremely powerful, where you can identify various factors, risks, and even biases that have be creeped into into systems from in the past.
Hmm.
The transparency that XAI gives you here makes it uh, very powerful to make operational decisions. You can identify various cohorts to be able to even target to identify uh, many sectors that you have not looked at in the past. So uh, there are many more applications to this, but banking is another one that I could think of right now.
I see. So the benefits basically extend beyond just compliance, all right, to actually improving operations and customer relations. How does XAI influence adoption and customization of AI solutions in businesses?
That's right, Suranjan. On the adoption front, businesses, even people in businesses, are more bound to embrace AI more. The better they understand why an AI is making a decision. Very
Hmm.
simply, if you are able to identify with the same factors, because it's trained on how you made those decisions, uh, you trust the AI more. And as you keep building on this, XAI also is able to give you a lot more nuances of how to improve how you serve your customer, which
Sure.
then leads into better trust, not just with the customer, but within the ecosystem, leading to great level of adoption. And the other big thing that you do need to consider is that this at the end makes your decision making better.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, so I can see the value of XAI. It basically helps demystify AI operations, but
Right.
it also enhances AI strategic relevance. As I
Hmm.
had mentioned in the beginning, that half the companies or less than half companies have been able to scale into production. This, if they are able to build more trust in their results or from their AI models, they could typically see larger adoption into production, which is what their end goal is at the end of the day, right?
That's
Uh,
right. Suranjan.
with all these benefits, I'm sure our listeners are eager to hear how they can start implementing these solutions in their own operations.
Yeah, absolutely, Suranjan. I'm excited to get into that detail because that's where we thrive, and I'm looking forward to the next episodes where we talk about exactly how XAI can be used, how can you implement it, and how at the end will you actually get the advantage of the adoption that we've been talking about all day long.
I'm sure that's going to be a fascinating discussion, Vivek. Stay tuned, listeners, as we dive deeper into how you can leverage explainable AI to not just comply with standards, but to truly enhance your business strategies. We want to hear from you. How is AI being used in your industry, at your company? Do you have experiences or questions about AI that you'd like to share? Please click on the link below, comment on the cast, and submit your questions through the inquiry form. We might actually discuss them in our upcoming episodes.
It's going to be an exciting journey, Suranjan. I'm looking forward to hearing everyone's questions, and everyone, please do tune in.
Thanks, Vivek, and thank you to everyone listening in for joining us today on Accelerate Your AI Adoption Journey. Don't forget to tune in next time. Stay curious and informed. Bye.